Howdy, folks. It's Handsome, and today we got something totally different. But before we get into that, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Shoot your boy, super thanks. Throw a comment under what you want to see, what camera. Is there something specific? Who knows? All right, so mind blown. Prepare for your mind to be blown. Got a crazy phone call. This dude, I guess, was taking pictures with his girlfriend's camera, and he broke it. She loves this camera. This one has to work. This is what he promised her. He doesn't care about the cost. All right, so this is the PowerShot A1200. This came out in 2011, and definitely did not take the world by storm, but super convenient because it took SD and 2 AA batteries. And now this camera and these type of low megapixel cameras are very in right now. People come in and they want digital that looks like film. Hate to break it to you, it's not gonna happen. It's not the same thing. You can make all the film simulations you want in the world, it's still digital, bruh. But homie came to me and said, make this happen. I see what you do online. I need you to make magic. So hopefully we can make magic. I usually don't work on stuff like this, but if it's sentimental or it needs to get you out of a bind, I'm your guy. Sounds like a bail bondsman or something. But so I bought this on eBay, and of course they said it worked. All this fine and dandy stuff. We're gonna go ahead and check it. Oh, that's just beautiful. I love gaps. I love big gaps. Pause. I don't know if that's a pause, but oh, shnikes, it works. Hey, so it works. Cool. It has date and time. Let's see if it goes to 2000. Holy mackerel. This thing is set for 2037. This expires in 2037. Boom. So now that we know that this thing works, we're going to take the shell of this, because hopefully this one doesn't have the same... Oh, wow, listen to that. Let's make sure this one doesn't have the same... Oh, look, it's got just a baby gap. Oh, my gosh. I literally touched it, and it, yeah, there's the piece. You know what? Give me the super glue. We're going in for surgery right meow. This needs to be stopped. Precise skills today. I really don't like using super glue. Ask my colleagues. Make sure you blow on it now. Gotta wipe the tip off. You put that on. Of course, I got super glue on me. I love super glue on me. You, my friend, need to stay right there. As you dry, we're gonna work on you. All right, got super glue on my mat. Just what I wanted. Another reason why I don't like super glue, y'all. Jeez, manitty. Hey, tools of the day. All right, so you got your straight tweezers, your curved tweezers, you got your cross point screwdrivers, and we got good old spud. I actually have toolkits that I am working on getting it on the YouTube. Everybody keeps commenting and messaging me on Instagram and Facebook about, hey, where do I buy the tools? I'm about to be selling them in bulk or singles, all that good stuff. Keep on the lookout, watch that video. All right, let's get in here. This was supposed to be quick, easy, and fun. Now it is turning into a little bit of a crapmare. There's not a lot of screws on this, I can tell you that. You got 2 in here. For real? 4 screws? This is how y'all playing this? That is how we're playing this. Okay. Interesting. Is it just gonna pop off? Just gonna pop off for me? What's up now? You ain't got no screws, no. You gonna make me take all this off? Don't make me do that, dude. This was supposed to be easy and trendy. Trendy, they say. Okay. Digic 4. That's cool. Okay, there's your LCD screen. Alright. How are we gonna do this? Is it just these two? There's one. There's two. Uh-oh, here we go. We got some movement. We got some movement. Oh, I see a screw that's holding on to you. Oh, come on, baby. Just pop out. Now. It's getting a little old right now. Oh, wow. Okay. Okie dokie. Look at that little lens unit right there. That's pretty cute. Let's go ahead and clean while we are already here. We got that out of there with all those pieces breaking off. Let's check our glue. It's setting, but now we know what to do. So let's pull the back panel off and get to it. We're just gonna replace this little baby lens unit. So cute. All right, let's get these screws out. These 4 screws. Got some sand in there. All right, we remember from the other one. You got these 2. All right, so we're just gonna take those 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Undo these guys now. Since we know, be careful. If that latch breaks, then I have to replace the whole main board. We don't want to have to do that. Fat one on the bottom, skinny's on the side. There's the broken one. Here's the good one. Fat one on the bottom. Okay. Thank you. Another piece that was stuck in there. We're gonna put these flex cables in. Here in. You're in pieces. Okay, boom, shakalaka, shakalaka. Once we get it on, we'll clean. I promise. Hold you back. Okay, I reloaded. Boom. Don't touch it, it's like new. Come on. It's not sitting flush. So we need to take it off and figure out what's going on. Okay, this is getting pretty frustrating. Oh, okay. Thank you. Man, hold up. Drink in my cup. Put the fork screws in before the camera falls apart. Now this super glue is not cured or dried by any means. So we just want to test it and then let it sit. Okay, we got the batteries. Ooh, no gap. All right, pray to the camera gods. Let's go. Well, folks, that is how you have a dirty lens. There is hope for these trendy cameras. Hopefully, I don't get 100 emails and inquiries on Facebook and Instagram and my website about these cameras. Don't particularly like repairing them, but I can. Well, this is Handsome. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. This is a PowerShot A1200 lens unit replacement. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, holla at your boy. I love y'all. Thank y'all. Stay positive, stay focused. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace!
I don't joke, you know.